Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to organize pages in Confluence, and I'll show you 3 ways to go about this. The first one is creating a page hierarchy where we have parent and child pages. So for example, let me click on this page, and if I drop this page, right, I drag it and drop it onto this one. As you can see, there is a rectangular outline. If I drop it right here, the visualizing custom will be the parent page. Okay, and right here, 5 whys analysis. This is the child page. Of course, you can have multiple child pages. You just drop it right here. We have 2 child pages for this parent page. You just click on this arrow to minimize and go ahead and hide the pages as well. If you want to show it, you just click on it. Now, the other way is using folders. The way you create folders, for example, what you do is you click on this plus icon here to create. Okay, and you click on folder, and I can name this a test. And of course, if I click on this arrow, it will show everything under this folder, right? You can easily drag and drop things onto the folder, and that's one other way you can organize things. And the last method I'll show you is actually by utilizing space shortcuts. And the way you go about this, you go to any of your pages, you click on these 3 dots for more actions. Then you click on add to shortcuts, and here you'll see it says no shortcuts in this space. As soon as I do this, you'll see shortcuts appearing right here. So these are for pages you often use. And that is how to organize pages in Confluence.